Because as I understand it, I've read the petition. There are no allegations against the Senate in the petition itself. The Senate was merely included as a necessary party dahil sa amin nakafile yung case eh. Pero wala namang allegation laban sa amin, wala ring hinihiling laban galing sa amin. In fact, diretso nyo nalang hinihiling sa Korte Suprema na ipadismiss ito. So, i-refer namin malamang ito sa Solicitor General matapos naming matanggap yung notice kung talagang pinapa-comment kami o hindi. Dahil sa pagkakaalam ko, hindi rin kami named party dun sa nabasa kong petisyon. Baka iba kasi naisaad ng spokesperson doon sa actual na notice na matatanggap namin. So we will formally await the notice coming from the Supreme Court. As of today, wala pa kami natatanggap kaugnay sa petisyon ni Vice President Sara.
Sorry, ito po bang mga steps na tinitake ngayon ng Senate? Is this in response to people who are commenting na, ay, walang ginagawa, inuupuan lang ng Senate?
No. No. It took us this long to be able to do these things, again, because we are acting on it prudently. We are not rushing, but neither are we delaying. This is not in response to any call or clamor or kahilingan ng kahit sino man, lalo na mga partisano o bias ng mga tao. Ito ang trabaho po namin. May humiling man o wala, may clamor man o wala, ano man ang sinasabi ng mga bias o wala.